and the beta. Today, let's see Computer 320 Excavator. It's a 2010 excavator from Japan. Let's see the onboard.
No rust, no cracks, no dents. It's very perfect arm. New bucket with cut logo. New tags. The carriage no leak.
Let's see the cab.
Original Caterpillar engine.